Hello everyone and welcome to day 65 of the 1000 days of Nocode challenge. Yesterday we learned what are privacy rules and why they are so important. We saw how they control the access of data and how we ensure that users are able to see only the data that they are supposed to see. In today's video, let's take one step further and see how to apply privacy rules for complex user roles, conditional accesses, and secured workflows. So, let's get started. To understand complex privacy rules, I have gone ahead and created user team, user tasks, and user project. Okay. User team is created so that we can assign team to a particular user. Okay. Likewise, we can create projects and project can be assigned to a particular team. Likewise, we can create tasks and it can be assigned to particular project and a particular team, right? I will tell you why. So right now I'm going ahead to users, okay, any of the users, and I will log in into the project page, right? So I will log in as a user. And you can see that all the projects will be shown, right? So we have projects added over here, okay, with team being shown here, the start date being shown here, right? So we have close to 26 projects added and all of them will be shown irrespective of whoever logs in, because we have not added any privacy rules as of now, right? So now the simple way to add a privacy rules over here is we assign a team to every single record that we have, right? So it could be users, it could be projects, it could be tasks, right? Everywhere the commonality is team. Okay, so we will create team, right? For example, if I am to create a project management application, then I would assign my team name as ABCD, and we could assign somebody else's team as, let's say, XYZ, right? And the third team as MNO. Yep. That way, you can define who are the users who belongs to that team so that they can see only the projects related to them. Similarly, they can see only the tasks related to them. Okay. The way we do that is we can go to users and we have already gone ahead and created a team for every user. Okay. So if we go to link to team, yeah, which is available here. So you can see that every single thing has a team associated with it, right? So I'll just go ahead and change the way team is being shown. So we can go here, change search field and use a team. We can make it as name. Okay, so we can see the name instead of the unique ID. Yeah, you can see that every single user is linked to a particular team. Now we go to data types and we go to user projects. Okay, click on publicly visible, which is the privacy rules settings page. Okay, it comes to here. Define a new rule and we can name this as team because the entire team can see a project if it is their project. Okay, so this user projects linked team is current users linked team, then it is visible. Everyone else, we will disable all of the things. Okay. Now closely observe. Let me just hide everything else. We don't need everything else. We just need email, name, and team. We just need the team name. So let's log in as a user from team 1. Now I do not see 26 projects, but I can see only a few of them, right? So you can see that here I have 10, okay, 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 19. And then we have a few over here, that is 20, 23, and 25. Yep. If I log in as team 2 member, right? So I'll log in as a user from team 2, then I can see only a few of them. And those are 4, 7, 11, 15, 16, 17, 18, 22, and 26, right? You can see all of them belong to team 2. Likewise, if I log in as a user from team 3, then I should ideally be seeing even lesser projects because they have only 4 projects assigned to them, right? This is a way how you can add privacy rules for multiple data types being linked together. Now, similarly, for user tasks, we have linked project, linked team, start date, task title, right? So we will apply the privacy rules from here and we will name it as team. And the privacy rule would be similar. This user tasks linked team is current users linked team, right? Then they are able to see the task. Otherwise, they should not be able to see them. Now, let's go to app data. And I'm going to go to page tasks. I will log in as one of the users. We can firstly log in with team 1 user. And we can see the tasks that are assigned to team 1, right? All of those are from different projects, and that's why you can see the title being same or similar, right? And then the team being team 1 all across, right? So you can go to the next page, you can see that it is all belonging to team 1. Now, if we go to team 2, you can see all the tasks that are linked to team 2, right? So that's how you apply privacy rules in complex apps. You can add multiple conditions based on your need. I hope this was helpful. And we just explored how complex privacy rules can be applied in your app. You can apply these privacy rules in your own app and see how they control access of data for different users. Before we let you go, one last thing. If you have not joined our WhatsApp community, please do join. The link of it is added in the description below. This is a community of enthusiastic no-code builders who share, build, and grow together. See you there.